welcome to ShowMeTheCurry.com. I'm Hithal.
I'm Anuja, and today we're going to show you a really quick salad topper recipe. Now, we all try to eat healthy and we all try to eat, good salads and all that, but this is like a nice mix, and you just like sprinkle it on top and it just makes your salad even better.
And it not only does it look pretty, it makes your salad like more appetizing, but it's like got a wonderful texture, like nice little crispy, crunchy. It's perfect.
Right, and very healthy. So we're going to make a small batch. Let's just make a small batch. We just put it in on these sprinkler spice bottles. You just reuse a bottle and just pour it over and it's perfect. So let's get started.
So here we have some Nigella seeds. Some people call these onion seeds. I don't think they're technically the same. We've been trying to do some research on it, and they have a slightly different flavor, but for this recipe, either or will work. So if you have Nigella seeds, you can get your hands on them, perfect. If you have onion seeds, or kalonji, it's called in the Indian store, sometimes it's called kalonji. Yes. If you find that, that's fine. But we have 2 tablespoons of that to start with.
And it's going to be equal portions of everything. We've got roasted sesame seed, 2 tablespoons. We're going to add to that. A little bit more of one or the other is not going to really affect anything, so choice is yours. If you don't like something or can't find something, just, improvise. I've been given better tools. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds.
Chia seeds are great fiber, so just adding a little addition of fiber to your salad.
Optional and to taste is red chili flakes. But everybody knows what we're all about. So no hiding here. 2 tablespoons of that. And 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds.
These are Hemp Hearts. They're amazing. It's an amazing source of protein for vegetarians. It's like this clean protein, and I think like 3 tablespoons total. If you ever add it to anything, your regular cooking or food, it's almost like 10 grams of protein. So it's fantastic. Yeah, yes. Fantastic. Yeah. And we will give this a good mix. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
So colorful, right?
Beautiful. Yeah, absolutely.
Now this is a recipe that we have improvised and created from Trader Joe's. Had a salad topper, and they've ever since stopped carrying it, and I have just totally missed it. I just really loved it. They had added almonds to it, some roasted pumpkin seeds and some sunflower seeds, but we're going to keep it as is. That way we can add it to bagels, we can add it to salads, and we can always add the nuts on top later on. So plus
I think everything here is kind of equal size, and it'll come out nicely from a shaker bottle. So that's another reason. But anyway, let's go ahead and pour this in. Alrighty, so we have our salad right here, and I'm gonna dress it up here. Now this is really yummy cilantro jalapeno ranch dressing. So we have a recipe out there for that, so please check that out.
Yes, absolutely. Oh, lots of more
generous helping with this.
Yes,
it's fantastic.
And over that we're going to sprinkle our salad topper. Look at it. Looks so pretty. So of course put as much as or as little as you like. Oh, that looks so good.
Fantastic.
Dig in.
Wow. Super flavorful.
Yes. And the little bites of crunches of sesame seed, chia seeds, and the red chili flakes.
Oh yeah.
Yum.
So there you go, a Trader Joe's copycat salad topper. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give us a thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And hit that bell button, and make sure you share with your friends and family. And enjoy the salad topper, and join us again on another episode of ShowMeTheCurry.com.
Adding a pinch of spice to your life.